Hey, scientists have created freaking human brains from stem cells.
In test tubes.
And they're miniature.
Bite-sized.
Scientists have created bite-sized human brains in tubes.
Yum!
Delicious. The Institute of Molecular Biotechnology in Vienna is reporting that they have played with some stem cells
Those dirty, dirty Viennans. Nourish them in a gel-like matrix.
that resembled the warm, moist, motherly hug that is the womb.
Coaxed them into morphing into brain cells.
And after 3 to 4 months,
Boom! They grew tiny human brains.
they grew tiny human brains, more specifically cerebral organoids that are tiny spherical piles of brain mush that resemble early development in embryonic brains.
And although they're not functioning, these layers upon layers of brain cells sat in a test tube in their own filth for 4 months and developed defined regions. Freaking crazy. Yeah.
Madeline Lancaster, author of the paper, said the cerebral organoids display discrete regions that resemble different areas of the early developing human brain. These include the dorsal cortex identity. The dorsal cortex is the largest part of the human brain. They also include regions representing the ventral forebrain and even the immature retina. The human brain is this unique thing that makes us special. That and opposable thumbs and a natural tendency for violence. But now we're cooking up human brains. It's amazing.
Now, these mini brains, which are millimeters long, will not be taking over the world anytime ever. They're small because they lack blood flow and consequently lack a healthy supply of oxygen to promote growth.
But the scientists hope the tiny piles of gray matter can assist with future research.
Like testing pharmaceutical drugs and gaining a better understanding of neurological and mental disorders.
Hey, tiny brain, I'm gonna poke you. You're gonna give me the answers. Poke, 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 poke. Give me those answers.
The research isn't being directed toward test tubing up replacement brains for alien humans, but the hope is that we can battle brain disease with a bigger weapon in the future.
Give me the answers. Poke your brain.
If these scientists wanted to, for any particular reason, send SourceFed some tiny brains to poke, our P.O. box is located in the description, and we would appreciate some tiny brains to be able to play with.
Fun.
We don't have a lot of toys.
Well, poke away.
We can maybe do some, we can call it research if you want. And while you're down there, why don't you, person who probably does not own a miniature brain, let us know what is the craziest advancement in science that you've heard of this year, because I don't know if you've noticed, there's actually been a lot. And while you're down there, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that annotation for our 5 daily stories. My name is Elliot Morgan.
My name is Joe Beretta. Yeah. Scientists, we promise that we will only maybe not taste the brain.
All squishy.
God, sounds so good.